last week's episode, I thought I'd go outside. Weather's nice, hopefully the wind's not too blowy. I said we'd do a bunch of catch-ups on what we've been working on in the shop. So we've got my 59, which I did a bit of electrical stuff. The 37, we've been doing wiring and just finishing off bits and pieces, aiming to get that running and started in a couple of weeks. The 37 Ford truck, we got the cab painted, the doors painted, and some of the other stuff painted, so we'd be busy getting that all prepped and then going around and borrowing the booth. And Gary's Corsair, same thing, we got everything prepped, so we pushed around the corner, borrowed the booth, got the underside painted and the interbay painted, so hopefully we can put the wheels and stuff back on it and get that thing rolling. So enjoy a few pictures and enjoy this. So Rory was out this week from RS Installations. He does our wiring, but he was busy. So I said, well, what can I do? So he got me to make up the fuse block mount. I mounted that. I got the rear bumper mocked up and trying to work that out, as well as you'll see here, the tailgate. I had to work out how all the mechanisms worked and that sort of thing. Getting there. So we're chipping through the wiring with the aim of hopefully starting my 59 in about 2 or 3 weeks' time. Here you'll see I had to do a battery tray. So I did a cardboard template. After that, I then folded it up on the Magna bend. Then we rounded the corner and welded it up, obviously then painted it, and here you go, here's the final product, all installed in the 59. So AC Promotions is a little, I don't know, side hustle that Craig and I started. We used to do tours to the US. That's not happening. So we've been showing sort of classic movies, car movies at a little boutique cinema. A couple of weeks ago we did Vanishing Point. So it was a 50th anniversary of that, and it's not something you can really see at the cinema. So that was pretty cool to do. Coming up in a couple of weeks, we're actually showing the Cannonball Run, which is coming up for it's 40 years. So if you'd like to come along, if you're obviously in Perth, Western Australia, hit us up, give us a call, and we can organise you. It's $25 a ticket, and yeah, there's a little bar, and we have a great night. Give us a call.